Hey signers! Welcome to the next installment for our public sign series. In this video, I am going to teach you signs related to government. Don't worry, we won't get into any political debates here, just signs. So let's learn how to sign government signs. We've divided this video into 4 sections. The first section is political entities and roles. President. President. Your hands pull up at the top of your forehead. President. Vice President. Vice President. It's V and P. Vice President. Republican. Republican. It's a shaking R. Republican. Democrat. Democrat. It's a shaking D. Democrat. Congress or congressional. It's a C-shaped hand from your non-dominant to your dominant. Congress or congressional. Senate. Senate. It's an S hand going from non-dominant to dominant. Senate. House of Representatives could be signed House of Representatives. But if you're in the conversation talking about the House of Representatives, you can just sign House. Mayor. Mayor. Mayor is fingerspelled. Mayor. Judge, as in the person. It's like the gavel. Judge. Supreme Court. Supreme Court. It's above the other courts. Supreme Court. Candidate. Candidate. It's like saying, pick me. Candidate. Citizen. Citizen. It's a C-shaped hand twisting over your heart. Citizen. Cabinet, as in a presidential cabinet, you fingerspell it. Cabinet. Now, this next section is about vocabulary for the governmental processes. Vote. Vote. Vote and election are noun-verb pairs. Vote is once. Election is twice. Vote. Election. Election. It's like you're putting your vote in. Election. Debate. Debate. Think of arguing but trying to prove a point. Debate. Predict. Predict. Your eyes are seeing into the future. Predict. Law. Law. You have a non-dominant flat hand and a dominant L coming down. I like to think this is the paper and the law is on it. Law. Tax. Tax. It's fingerspelled T-A-X. Tax. Federal. Federal. It's the same sign for government, but with an F-shaped hand. Federal. Government or government. You have a G-shaped hand that's twisting, or you could see an index twisting in. Government, government. Council. Council. It's a C-shaped hand going from non-dominant to dominant. Council. To judge. To judge. You have F-shaped hands going up and down, weighing, judging. To judge. This section covers vocabulary words for personal and public opinion. Support. Support. Your dominant hand is pushing up your non-dominant hand, supporting it. Support. Agree. Agree. Think, and then your 2 fingers coming together. Agree. Disagree. Disagree. You're thinking the opposite. Disagree. Opinion. Opinion. You have an O-shaped hand shaking at your forehead. Opinion. Against. Against. Your non-dominant hand is on its side with your dominant pushing against something. Against. Neutral. Neutral. You have flat ends shaking back and forth. Neutral. Rights. Rights. Your non-dominant hand is up and your dominant is pushing out. This has to do with the rights that you have. Rights. Respect. Respect. You have two R hands pulled up to your face and pushing the respect to the person you're respecting. Respect. This last section we're putting in the category of truth and representation. Fact. Fact. You're putting the information right there. Fact. True. True. You have your index finger up at your mouth, pushing out. True. Lie. Lie. You have a bent B hand pushing on your chin. Lie. Idea. Idea. It's an I hand coming from your thoughts, like, I've got an idea. Idea. Think self, meaning it's up to you. Think and self together. Up to you. Represent, or to show, or example. Your index finger is pointing to an example. Represent, example, or to show. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Do you agree with the new law? New law? Agree you? Who is your favorite candidate? Candidate, your favorite who? What is your opinion on the new mayor? New mayor? Your opinion, what? I will watch tonight's debate. Today, night, debate, watch will, me. We still have even more videos coming in our public service sign series, but we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments what other public service areas we should cover. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.